My name's Tom Fripp. I'm a director of Addition Design. I'm one of the founders of the company. Addition Design has been going for a little over 5 years now. Over the last couple of years we've started to really work on some end-use products, and that's formed quite a nice part of the business now. But as time's gone on, we have really started to focus on quality. And so we have introduced almost like a farmer-grade quality management system to help us manage the production of high-quality 3D printed components. We are able to understand our customers' problems, design an appropriate solution for that, and then 3D print the components and supply the components. We also have just recently installed the F370 CR machine. The reason mainly for that is because a lot of our customers that we're sort of moving towards, particularly in the pharma and packing and automated manufacturing market, tend to want larger, stronger parts. They tend to be pretty big and thick components. So a lot of the customers that we are working with for industrial parts, particularly for automated machinery, they have significant costs when it comes to the downtime on their equipment. We have established a workflow that works for them, that maintains quality for the parts they receive. We will go on site with a very high resolution 3D scanner. We will scan the parts, we will scan the machine beds, so that effectively when we bring that back to our place in Sheffield, we've got a digital copy of the equipment and the components. We then very quickly turn that from 3D scan data into a 3D print ready component, and once the component is ready to go, it will go straight to production and sent to them.
That machine setup, it's so quick, and that's exactly what we need. We like to pride ourselves on our quick lead time. You'll go from 6 to 8 weeks to 6 to 8 days.
We decided to invest in the F370 CR because we looked at bringing in the carbon fibre reinforced nylon.
Being reinforced with carbon just offers that much durability to the parts. Bringing in that nylon carbon fibre reinforced, that's something we just couldn't do before, and it opens up markets for us and helps our customers just see that much more value in what we can give them.
The range of materials that are open to you by using the Stratasys FDM type systems is much broader. You get a lot more performance. It's a lot faster to change those materials over. With an SLS machine, it can take a day to change materials, whereas with the FDM, it can only take a few minutes. The other benefits for our customers are things like light weighting. So the materials are fairly dense on the SLS machine, and although it can produce very complex parts, you can't produce materials with the kind of material properties that you get with the carbon fibre reinforced materials so accessibly than you can with the F370 CR. We knew the capabilities of the 370 CR before we actually installed the system. With that in mind, we started to queue up work for it. So we have already had parts out the door which our customers are paying for. We've also had some quite interesting research work that we've been able to do on that particular machine because of the density of the parts that it can actually achieve. And so it's already starting to generate value for us. I would recommend SYS to consider when you're looking to purchase an industrial system. I think we've got a good range of products. These days, more than ever, the range of Stratasys solutions are getting better geared towards the industrial side than they have previously been. So I would certainly say that SYS should be somebody you should be speaking to.